Hi everyone, welcome back to Bilex YouTube channel. If you are planning to learn automation testing, one big question comes to mind. Is automation testing still a good career in India in 2026 and beyond? And how many jobs are available and how much experience is needed to get a job and what skills companies expect and what is the future scope of this automation testing? Like this, many questions comes to mind. So in this video, I will explain everything based on the current job market in India. First, let's talk about the current demand for automation testing jobs in India. Right now, according to the job portals like LinkedIn, Glassdoor and Naukri, there are thousands of automation testing openings in India. Many companies are shifting from manual testing to automation testing because they want faster software release. And modern companies use CI/CD pipelines where automated tests run automatically whenever developers deploy code. Because of this, automation testing professionals are still in strong demand in India. However, one important change has happened. Companies no longer want testers who only know manual testing. They prefer testers who know automation tools and programming skills. Now let's talk about experience requirements. Suppose if you are a fresher and you are planning to get job, then it's not impossible, but it's slightly difficult to get to entry levels of a testing job. Most companies prefer candidates with 2 years experience or above 3 years. Okay, that's why many professionals start their career as a manual testing post and then move into the automation testing after gaining some experience. Now let's talk about salary in automation testing. For freshers, the average salary is 2.5 lakhs to 3 lakhs or 3.5. For professionals with 2 to 5 years of experience, the salary can go up to 5 to 10 lakhs per year. And senior automation test engineer more than 5 years experience can earn up to 10 to 20 lakhs or even higher depending on the company. So salary growth is quite good if you continue upgrading your skill set. Now the most important question is, what skills should someone learn to become an automation test engineer? First, you need a programming language. Most companies prefer Java or Python. And second, you have to learn automation tools. The most popular tool used by companies are Selenium, Playwright, Cypress and Appium. So you have to learn either Selenium or Playwright or Cypress. So based on your interest, you can learn. And third one, you should learn test automation framework like TestNG or JUnit. And fourth one, API testing is very important. So tools like Postman or REST are commonly used. And finally, modern companies also expect testers who know DevOps tools like Git and Jenkins. So automation testing is today not just testing. It also includes coding, automation and CI/CD knowledge. Now let's talk about the future scope of automation testing. Automation testing will continue to be important because every software product needs testing. However, the industry is evolving. Basic manual testing tasks are slowly being replaced by automation and AI tools. So the future belongs to testers who combine automation skills with programming and DevOps knowledge. So if you keep upgrading your skills, testing can still be a stable job in IT industry. So my final conclusion is simple. Automation testing is still a good career option in India. If someone learns only manual testing, the career growth may become limited. So if you found this video is helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe the channel for more IT career guidance. So thanks for watching.